He's got the stickers on it. He's got all the stickers that are. These aren't original stickers, are they? Are these the original stickers from Ford?
No.
Okay. He did put them on just to make it accurate, but those are the stickers they put as they leave the line in 1969. Leave the line in 1969.
All right, at this point in time, everything was going really well, and all the guys were like, yeah, okay, this guy knows what he's doing. He's Mustang Medic. He knows everything. And then I have what I call a Wellbutrin moment, and I completely forget that a Boss 302 is a Boss 302 engine. This is, I call it a senior moment, but it's so far off of what I know that all I can say is that maybe it's the Wellbutrin that I'm taking. I mean, I'm happier, but my short-term memory is just not connecting. Like I didn't know what an intake was or a distributor was. This is definitely a moment that was very embarrassing. And I've driven these cars. I can show you videos. I'll see here. I'll set up a link. There's a link, and you'll see that I actually know that a Boss 302 has a Boss 302 in it. Guys, it's not easy being me sometimes. And you'll hear about this for the rest of the video. Thanks.
What is that?
What's that?
That engine.
Come on.
Is that the 428?
No, it's a Boss 302.
It's a Boss 302.
Well, yeah. You don't have a Boss 302 without a Boss 302, right?
Yeah, I'm going to edit that out of the video. I lost my mind for a second there. And there's the Boss 302 right there. The chrome cover wasn't stock, was it?
In 69, that's the way they came.
They did come that way in 69?
That's the only way they came. In 70, they came with the aluminum. Early 70s had a different style chrome valve cover.
Look at that. I know. I have my moments. No, I'm telling you, I have my senior moments. I'm taking Wellbutrin. It's knocking me out. I'm happier though. I forget some things.
It says Boss 302 right on.
Look.
On the motor too.
Oh wait a minute. Now this wasn't stock. This color wasn't stock, was it? Isn't that black? Wasn't that black before?
No.
That was gray?
No, I'm gonna enlighten you more.
Please do.
All 1969 Boss 302s were assembled at Dearborn Assembly Plant.
Okay.
In Dearborn Assembly Plant, on the bracketry, they used what they called slop gray. And that would be all the paint left over from the end of the day went to a drum. And it got a gray color from mixing everything, and then they dipped the brackets in that paint.
There you go. We're getting schooled over here on Boss 302.
But in 70 they made them in Metuchen, New Jersey.
This is incredibly
They didn't
clean.
do that there.
Is this rebuilt?
Yes.
Yeah. Who restored it?
You know what? I redid the motor
You
about.
did? You did it yourself?
I had a machine shop put it
But
together.
you pulled it out.
Yeah, I pulled it out. I did all the detail.
Right. You did a beautiful job.
Thank you.
Even right down to the clamps on the hoses. Everything. Every detail.
Hey, how are you?
Every detail.
2 times, I think.
Yeah, I looked at this thing and I was like, show car, look at this. It's got the original tire and bracket that came with the car. Look at how clean this car is. Look at this. I kind of drool over the classics. I love the moderns, don't get me wrong. I love the moderns. But there's just something about a 69. Shut it off.
I don't want to talk because it's not my car.
Well, hang on a second here, Mr. Director.
You were looking at the tire. Did you see what else was in there?
What, has he got a gun in there or something?
Said you don't know enough about Mustang.
Oh, you know what? Now I got to edit you out too. Look at that. All right. Boss 302 representing over here at the club.